Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore abandoned checkout in Klaviyo after integration break. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore abandoned checkout in Klaviyo after an integration break, begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Integrations tab on the left side of the dashboard. Find the integration you need to repair and click on it. Check for any error messages indicating what might have caused the integration break. If the integration is disconnected, reconnect it by following the prompts. Review your API keys or credentials to ensure they are correctly entered. After reconnecting, go to the Profiles section in Klaviyo. Search for customers who have abandoned their carts during the downtime. Use the filter options to narrow your search based on the last active date. Select profiles that reflect customers with abandoned checkouts. Once you have your list, navigate to the Flows tab. Create a new flow to handle the abandoned checkout notifications. Include a trigger for when a customer has an abandoned cart. Design and customize your email notification to re-engage these customers. Test the flow to ensure that emails are sent correctly upon reactivation. After testing, activate the flow to start sending emails. Monitor the performance of your abandoned cart emails closely. Adjust your strategy based on open rates and click-through rates. Continue to check the integration periodically to prevent further breaks. By following these steps, you can effectively restore your abandoned checkout process in Klaviyo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.